How's our kids?
Hi guys, it's your favorite teacher here at House Art Kids. Today we're going to be making a box car. Materials, you're going to need some wooden sticks. I have 1/4-inch wooden dowels, but you can use regular skewer sticks. Straw, I have boba straws just because my sticks were kind of thick, but if you're using skewers, you can use regular straws. Some popsicle sticks, bottle caps. These are Gatorade because I wanted the wheels to be a little bit bigger. Cardboard boxes, glue stick, and some paint. I'm going to paint mine magenta and cyan. And some accessories. And you need some extra bottle caps and a sharp tool. So let's get started. First, you need to make the frame of your car. Next, you're going to glue on your straws. Then you put your wood stick through. Make sure when you cut your wooden stick, they should be bigger than your straws. Next, you want to poke a hole through the bottle cap. You want to use a sharp item like this. If you're a student, you should ask your parents or somebody old enough to work with these kind of things and have them poke a hole, just like that. And then I use my glue gun to kind of melt away the sides to make my hole a little bigger, just because I'm using the 1/4-inch wooden dowels. If you're using skewers, just that hole will be enough. Put 2 bottle caps on the wooden sticks first. Then you can push it through and then add your bottle caps. Once you've made your frame, you can glue on the smaller bottle caps on the edges. Next, you need to plan out your cardboard stage. You could place your cardboard on your frame to make sure that it fits, and then you can draw out your design. Now that I have my base glued on, now I'm going to design the side of my car. You want to make some incisions in your strip that you're going to put on the hood. This is going to help the car curve shape easier to put on. Now we're ready to paint. Now that we're done painting, we're gonna let it rest to dry. Now that it's dry, we're gonna start putting on the stones. And in my original supply list, I didn't have these, but I've decided instead of using a hot glue gun, I'm going to use the E6000 and this wax stick pen. This dries just as fast as hot glue gun, but you don't burn yourself. And it's not as messy.